Easy and effective homemade hair masks for dry hair. Nourish your hair with the goodness of homemade masks and make them shiny and healthy. 1. Egg and Honey Hydrating Hair Mask. You will need 1 teaspoon honey, 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Process. 1. Whisk the egg till it's frothy. Mix all the honey and apple cider vinegar with the whisked egg. 4. Apply this mixture to your hair. 5. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. 6. Wash it off with cool water and a mild shampoo. Why it works. Egg yolk is rich in fats, proteins, and nutrients that make it a natural hair conditioner. It provides intense hydration to dry strands and strengthens your hair. Honey, a natural humectant, helps seal in moisture, leading to healthy and shiny locks. ACV is a clarifying agent. It helps in restoring the natural pH balance of the scalp, leading to a healthy and clean scalp. Overall, this mask helps in adding moisture, oil, and shine to your dry and dull mane. 2. Banana and Olive Oil Nourishing Hair Mask. You will need 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Process. 1. Gently mash the banana into a paste. 2. Add olive oil to get a creamy mask. 3. Apply the mask all over your hair. 4. Leave it on for 10–20 minutes. 4. Rinse it off with warm water. Why it works. Olive oil is a natural emollient. It is rich in oleic acid, palmitic acid, and squalene. Thus, it can soften and add shine to your dull skin. Traditionally, banana has been used in deep conditioning masks due to its hydrating and moisturizing properties. It is also said to nourish and strengthen your hair as it is rich in vitamins and minerals. Using this homemade mask once a week will transform your dry mane. 3. Aloe Vera and Honey Moisturizing Hair Mask. You will need 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Process. 1. Combine all the ingredients to make a thick paste. 2. Apply this paste to your hair and scalp. 3. Rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Why this works. Aloe vera has moisturizing properties. This homemade hair mask provides intense hydration to dry, rough hair. It also softens your hair and adds shine to it.